Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing present continuous tense, and you will be writing yes and no questions and what questions using present continuous tense. Hopefully you'll remember this from the beginning of the year and it will be easy for you, but if not, hopefully it will be easy by the end of the video. Alright, so this first part, we're going to look at this box right here. In the video, it's probably very small, so just try to follow along on your paper. I have my pronouns, I, you, he, she, we, you, they. So when I have I use am, you, are, he, she, is, we, you, they, are. Then, I can either say, I can make it negative by saying not, or I can make it affirmative by leaving out not. So if it's negative, I am not making the bed. If it's affirmative, you are making the bed. So remember, with present continuous tense, I use my helping verbs and an ing verb like making. And that is how I make it present continuous. And again, you've got some examples of negative right here. Alright, so let's practice. Again, this should be reviewed because we did this like last week or 2 weeks ago. I can't remember now. Alright, so in the first one, she is eating lunch. I've got my subject, my helping verb is, my present continuous verb, eating, and then lunch. So that one is done for you. And the rest of these, I just want you to go ahead and fill those out. Alright. So then for the next part, we're going to talk about how do I make questions, present continuous questions. So these first ones, we're going to use what. So if I look at my structure, I always start with what. Then I go to my helping verb. Again, that's am, are, is, or are. I am, you are, he, she, is, we, you, they, are. So, next, after my helping verb, I use my ing verb, my present continuous verb. So, what am I cooking? To answer, I'd say, I am cooking enchiladas. What are you cooking? You are cooking enchiladas. Alright, so I just want to do one more example with you right here. This box is to show you the structure. So I need to use what. And then I need to use is, are, or am. So I'm going to choose is. Oops, I forgot subject. I'm going to add that in. Subject. So what is, we'll say Sam wearing, that's my ing verb, today. So you have your what question, your helping verb, your subject, your present continuous verb, and then the rest of the sentence. So hopefully you can look at this while you're answering these questions and it will help you out. So all you're doing here, it gives you a statement and you have to make the question. So it says, she's reading a history book. So my question would be, what is Liliana reading? I know it's Liliana because it tells me right here. So you're going to go ahead and answer those, or you're going to write the questions right here for those. The questions, just write them right here. All right. And then finally, let's talk about yes and no questions. So, when I make yes and no questions, I start with my helping verb, am, are, is, are. Then I need my subject, then my present continuous verb. So if I look at this box right here, I'm going to choose, this time I'll choose are. So are, my subject has to be plural or you. I'm going to choose you. Then I need my present continuous verb, my ing verb. Are you going, or are you dancing? Then the rest of my sentence, that's probably going to be a prepositional phrase or whatever details end my sentence. In the video. And then remember, I always end with a question mark. Alright, so this is just an example dialogue, so you don't have to do anything, but we're going to read it. So we have our what question. What are you doing? I'm helping my sister. Oh, is she studying? No, she isn't. She's making cookies. So remember, that's just an example dialogue, so you can see when you use a what question or a yes or no question. Let's look at the activity. So it says, create a yes or no question that goes with the statement or a statement to answer the yes or no question. So I have an example. Yes, I am driving to the party. So if I was making a question for this, I would say, are you driving to the party? So you're going to do the same with these. Right here, you have to make a question, and a question. For number 3 and 4, you're answering it. So this one is negative. So this one is going to use not in it. And this one is affirmative, so it will not have not in it. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll try to help you. Have a good day. Bye.